Tom Goods na naman. Samahan nyo ako mag food trip guys. Let's go! Ito nga pala ang Mento Skydeck Restaurant, located at the top of Ramada Hotel. As you can see, napakaganda ng ambience. Conducive talaga for eating. Kung mapapansin nyo, wala pa masyadong tao kasi kakabukas lang nila ng 6 AM. At oo, gumising ako ng maaga para ma-videohan ko to. And these are the food in their menu for breakfast. At ito ng mga pagkain na kinain ko during our stay in Ramada Hotel.